right. Good morning, Elena. Bright and early. What you got?
A special nut.
A picture of Elena? Is that the elephant one? Elephant, elephant, you have a very long nose. Yes, my mama has a long nose too. Elephant, elephant, tell